Now let me ask you this. How do you turn a $29 lip kit into a $1 billion empire? Well, Kylie Jenner did it before she was even 23 years old. But here's the real question. Did she build it? Or was it all just hype? Stick around, because this story has some twists you don't want to miss. Kylie Jenner was born in 1997, the youngest of the Kardashian-Jenner clan. From the time she was a kid, cameras were everywhere. Keeping up with the Kardashians made her famous before she even had a driver's license. But Kylie wasn't content with being, quote-unquote, the little sister. She saw her siblings building businesses and brands. She wanted to build her own path. The difference? She had an entire generation of fans watching her every move on Instagram, and she planned to use it. In 2015, Kylie launched her first product, the Kylie Lip Kit. It cost $29 and sold out in minutes. Not weeks, minutes. She didn't use billboards, commercials, or magazine ads. She used her own Instagram page. One post of her wearing the product, fans went crazy. That's when Kylie realized the power wasn't just in the makeup, it was in the hype. And hype is a powerful thing, just like wealth. And if you're here because you want to learn the blueprint behind wealth, then hit that like button and subscribe. That way you don't miss the lessons buried inside stories like this one. Because Kylie's next move is where the real game begins. Now, Kylie turned makeup into a limited edition drop. The same way sneaker brands drop exclusive. Jordans, scarcity. FOMO, fans scrambling to buy before it's sold out. She also tapped into the Kardashian machine. A mention from Kim, millions of eyeballs. A cameo on the show, instant sales. It wasn't just a lip kit. It was, well, a movement. By 2018, Forbes put Kylie on the cover and called her the youngest self-made billionaire. Some people cheered. Others said, hold up, how can you be self-made when you grow up in a mansion? Later, Forbes accused Kylie's team of inflating numbers. They claimed the company wasn't as big as reported. The billionaire title was snatched back almost as fast as it was given. But here's another twist. Even if Forbes said she wasn't a real billionaire, the hype around that title made her brand even more valuable. And that attention set her up for the deal of a lifetime. In 2019, Kylie sold 51% of Kylie Cosmetics to Coty, a global beauty company. The price? $600 million. Think about it. At just 22 years old, Kylie cashed out with hundreds of millions in the bank. She still kept 49% ownership, so the checks keep coming, but now she has the security of a massive payout. That's the wealth mode play. Use hype to build value, then let the big players scale it while you walk away richer. And Kylie, she kept expanding. Skincare, collabs, baby products. She didn't reinvent lipstick. What she reinvented was how to sell it. She made makeup feel like a sneaker drop, and she used her name as the ultimate brand. Here's the takeaway. Wealth isn't always about creating something brand new. Sometimes it's about timing, leverage, and of course, hype. Kylie Jenner showed that you don't need to invent the wheel. You just need to convince the world that your wheel is the hottest one on the block. So let me ask you, if you had one product and the power of hype, what would you sell to the world? Kylie played the game of hype and cashed out big time. And you can too. This is wealth mode.